So guys, you can see the light is very much bright.
So hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach how to make a simple generator at home. If you're watching my channel for the first time, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on that bell icon so that you will get the latest update of my videos. So without wasting any time, let's move into our interesting video.
So guys, to make a simple generator, we would need an old DVD module. Now, we have to remove this part from this module. So guys, now I have removed this part from that module. Now, you can see here there is one motor. You can see here there is motor and these both are connected to this motor. You can see guys, these both are connected to this motor. Now, we have to connect this wire to this LED light, or you can choose this motor. So I have choose the LED light. So I have connected it. I have soldered it. You can see guys, I have soldered it neatly. Now I will paste it here. I'll paste here so that it will give a neat finish. So guys, now I have pasted it. Now you can see this both are connected to this motor. When I turn, the motor is also turning. Now we have to make a hole here. You can see guys, here we have to make a hole. And I have made a hole, you can see guys. Now take a screw and place it inside this hole and tighten it. Now I tightened it very well. Now I will turn this. The light will start to glow. So you can see guys, it glows really very bright. So when I turn it, the motor is also turning. So now I will turn off the lights in 3, 2 and 1. So guys, you can see the light is very much bright and I have not used a single battery to run this light.
Hope you all enjoyed my video guys. Meet you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye, tata and see you.